You have the skills, you have the experience, you have applied to dozens of UAE IT jobs, and every single time you hit the same wall, local experience required. Sound familiar? UAE experience required. The wall every overseas IT professional hits. Here is what most people do not realize. That barrier is not as solid as it looks. Thousands of IT professionals land jobs in Dubai every year with zero prior UAE experience. In the next 3 minutes, I am going to show you exactly how they do it. First, understand that UAE IT hiring in 2026 is genuinely wide open. The most in-demand roles right now are AI engineers, cloud architects, and cybersecurity analysts. Also highly sought after are full-stack developers, DevOps engineers, ERP consultants, and data scientists. The UAE National AI Strategy 2031 is pumping billions into tech. Companies are hiring globally because local supply cannot meet the demand. What UAE employers actually want is not someone who has worked in Dubai before. They want someone with the right technical skills. Now, let's dive into the 5 moves that will get you hired. Move 1. Rebuild your CV for UAE ATS systems. They want someone who will fit into a fast-moving, multicultural environment. Your international experience is not a weakness. It just needs to be positioned correctly. Most overseas CVs fail before a human sees them. UAE employers use ATS software to filter applications. Use a single-column layout and a plain font. Mirror keywords directly from the job description. Your CV needs to be machine-readable first. Impressive second. Move 2. Target roles open to international candidates. Not every UAE role requires local experience. Search specifically for open to relocation. Look for roles posted through specialist IT recruitment agencies like Staff Connect. We actively source global talent and place them directly with employers. Agencies can bypass the local experience filter entirely by vouching for your international expertise. Move 3. Build UAE relevant credentials. If your certifications are not already internationally recognized, fix that now. AWS, Azure, CISSP, and PMP certifications are currency in the UAE market. They tell a hiring manager you meet a global standard. Move 4. Optimize your LinkedIn for UAE recruiter searches. 40% of UAE hires come through LinkedIn. Recruiters search by skill and location interest. Update your headline to include the role you want and set UAE as your target location. You need to be findable before you are hireable. Move 5. Consider contract to hire as your entry route. This is the move most people overlook, and it is the fastest door into UAE IT employment. A contract role lets you prove your skills inside a UAE company. It very often converts to a permanent position within 6 to 12 months. The agency sponsors your visa and manages your contract. Once you have that first UAE experience on your CV, every door opens. To recap, do use ATS-optimized CVs, not fancy designs. Target recruiter-sourced openings instead of just job boards. Prioritize international certifications like AWS or Azure. Ensure your LinkedIn location interest is set to the UAE. This is exactly where Staff Connect comes in. We are the UAE's leading specialist IT and tech recruitment company. Headquartered in Dubai, we have offices across Abu Dhabi, Saudi Arabia, India, the Philippines, Kenya, and the USA. Our dedicated IT division specializes in software engineering, cloud and networking, cybersecurity, ERP, and digital transformation. We handle the visa, the employment contract, the payroll, and all HR administration, so you focus entirely on the work. We have placed over 3,000 professionals, and we have live IT vacancies right now across the UAE and GCC. Register your CV on our website today. The link is in the description. Like and share if this video helped you. Subscribe for honest career content every week. Staff Connect, your gateway to a tech career in the UAE.